Pulling up. Finks Performance.
Yep.
Got some suspension work done.
Yeah, Jake getting ready for the big old race.
Red Bull, Stone Scramble in Tennessee. So gotta have the suspension dialed for that race. Thanks to Finks Performance. So
yeah, they're gonna be breaking it down for us, everything that they did to Jake's car, and plus the other goodies that we're gonna be doing to Jake's car today, and other preparations.
Lots of them.
All right, let's see what Brad has to say. Shocks are completely redone.
Thanks, Finks Performance.
Yep.
Check them out.
Right here in Kingsley, Michigan. Link below for those guys. If you need any shock work done,
definitely.
These are the guys that can do it. Also, he only has like, what, 2,000 miles on it?
Less than that. About 1,600, we'll call it.
Yeah, you see how he drives, though.
Yeah.
And he said it was due.
It was due. He said he didn't really want to go much longer, so that just tells you a 1,600 mile range. Hit up Finks Performance. They'll get you straightened away.
I will say, though, I'm surprised none of your shafts were bent or broken.
Yeah,
or
nothing
anything.
was broken there, so.
Surprise, surprise.
So it all worked out. Did it just in time, so you guys should too.
Yep, exactly. Nick's got his shocks here too. He actually took them off, but you can also just bring your car. You can see the facility. It's nice. Rockin' Mustang back there.
Heck yeah.
So, or just bring in your shocks, either or. They also do glass for windshields too. So if you guys need any glass work done, they can do that. But we're gonna head back to the shop here now that this is all done. Show you some goodies that Jake got for this race. Maybe we'll give him the edge to take home the W.
That's what we're going for. So we got some more stuff to add to it.
Notice any of the suspension work.
I already noticed it. Feels really smooth.
It felt pretty dang smooth.
Yeah, like I'm sitting here waiting to feel bumps. I'm like, oh, it's too smooth through the trail, but I think it's actually just smooth with the suspension on a rough trail.
Yeah, because your stuff felt pretty rough in the small stuff before this.
Yeah, those chatter bumps coming out of the trail was what I was waiting for to test it out on.
Yeah.
I didn't really feel them, so.
Definitely works. Still got stock springs. They're not wore out yet, so, but we'll be getting some aftermarket ones here soon.
Just revalve and do oil and freshen up, man. That's all you gotta do.
He said it was pretty black fluid, so she was due.
Dude.
Yeah, look at these race cars. Nick's has already undergone a little bit of surgery. Like we showed you, Finks has redid his shocks a little bit, just going over everything. His car's actually not too far from being ready.
Looking good.
Jake's, he actually doesn't even have a drive shaft in there right now.
Yeah.
But we got one coming, Sandcraft, thanks to Classic Motorsports.
Check them out.
For hooking us up there, get all your parts that you need. But to prepare for this Tennessee Red Bull Scramble race, Jake got a couple goodies, and we got stuff just to keep his car alive.
Yeah.
Because some bad things have happened in the races lately.
Yeah, so we're replacing the drive shaft. I've been a trailing arm in the last RBR race, so huge shout out to Ryan Winchester. Hooked me
Known sender, dude.
Yeah, known sender. Hooked me up with some takeoff OEM ones. Getting rid of the orange ones that I have, and I'm going to black. So all the orange is off my car. I'm kind of happy about that. It's always kind of been like an inside joke. Get rid of that freaking orange, dude.
Yep. Gonna be replacing the axle.
Yeah.
Super ATV Rhino axle.
Yep, did a little warranty deal. Super easy to work with. Helen at Rust Belt Offroad helps us out with that. So
just super ATV in general, man. I know I'm kind of knocking on the radius rods because they keep coming out of adjustment. We went to Atlas. Don't have them for this car yet, but we will be getting some. But I don't know. Everything else, their warranty work, it's great. I'm just whatever. I think for what we do, the fixed radius rods will be a better situation.
Definitely. Yeah. One more thing that I'm like super excited about that I've always wanted, never had, is a pumper helmet.
Yeah, let's get this bad boy.
Yeah, you always see us in the videos at the end of the race with just dirty freaking faces. Well, not no more.
Yep.
I got the RaceEquip pumper helmet, top air.
How much did that thing cost?
It's about $325, and it's very similar to the Impact and Simpson helmets. So just FYI.
Affordable version.
Yes, but I did upgrade on the air pumper. This is the rugged radios. It's like the, I don't know, the heavy duty pumper.
High
flow pumper.
Yeah.
A little pricey. It's like $300, but I thought it would be worth it.
So altogether, like a $600 combo.
Yes, and I think it's gonna be worth it because this visor is gonna stay down, and I'm gonna have like AC, like pumping out my head, which is gonna be sweet.
Oh, he also got the controller. It's just not
There's
here yet.
an optional controller that you can get, because if you didn't, it'd just be like high flow the whole time. So maybe there'd be times that I want it like half flow. So
it's probably gonna be nice for when you stop and you can't hear somebody or something like that.
So this is pretty real deal setup here for me. I'm excited about it.
Yeah, I'm excited to test that out. And the trailing arms are just OEM. I don't
Just
think we
OEM,
should just OEM.
They're used already, so they're just...
And plus a bunch of other little things we'll be going over. Oh, we also have super ATV tie rods.
Tie rods, yeah.
Yep. And that's another thing Finks does. They can set your bump steer also.
Yep.
So those guys are knowledgeable and they know what they're doing.
One more.
What's
the
that?
doors.
Oh yeah, I keep forgetting about the doors.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah.
They're just door skins, but this is pretty cool to me. I've always wanted doors too. So.
What brand is that?
I don't know. It starts with an M. I don't know.
What?
Megalodon or something like that.
Something like that. But thanks to Jason from Talentless Off-Road, he hooked us up with those doors. Yeah, he was going to put them on his race car, didn't want them, so we bought them from him. And they got powder coated from Unique Metalworks. Same guy that made our trophies for Crash-a-Palooza.
Yeah,
link to him below.
But yeah, after that, man, we're going to have doors, black trailing arms. It's going to be like kind of what I wanted it to be.
Yeah.
It's finally going to happen.
Race car action.
It is a race car now, dudes.
All right, let's start figuring out what we're going to attack first. The last piece of the puzzle, the orange.
Yeah.
She's about to disappear. But all right, we got a big cycle of tearing this sucker apart, so
Take it apart, put it back together.
yeah. All right, time warp it. Making ham. Trailing arms are on. Everything is all orange. And check out the sweet little logo Unique Metalworks put on there for us. He's the one that powder coated the door, looking sharp on there, doing the final touches on the pumper right now. He's going to be mounting it right behind him. We just got it hooked up to a switch right now. We still got to install the controller, but man, does that thing go hardcore.
Yeah, I'm excited for it. I already tried it out. It's great.
I think we're going to have to do a little test with this. I'm going to drive in front of him and just get it really dusty, and we're going to see if it makes a difference.
Yeah, it should not. It'll be totally fine. I don't mind my new doors.
They look pretty sharp. It's a DD Bitcoin. All right, moment of truth. Did the hose positioning work? All right.
Check it out, dude.
Phase 1. Need to take that sticker off.
Yeah. All right, ready?
First tearaway.
There she goes.
Oh man, this thing revs up. It just gets gnarlier and gnarlier. It's so loud.
Oh,
Full blown AC in the helmet. It's really loud when you have the helmet on. Here, flip it open and see if I can feel it.
can you guys feel it?
Yeah, can you feel it? Seems to look like it's in a good spot.
Yeah. Probably like tuck it up here.
Yeah, we put some zip tie or something over there. Money.
Well, yeah, this is great.
Yeah.
Pumpers in, doors are on, trailing arms are on.
Mm-hmm. You're blacked out, man.
A few minor things to do. All the orange is gone. I'm happy.
Yeah.
Been a successful night in the garage, so we're gonna finish it up in the morning. You know, not that far away in this video. So.
Yeah, it's just a finger snap away.
I was about to finger snap us, but I didn't want to end the video.
Yeah, we just got an axle to put in, just add odds and ends, but snap us tomorrow and we will be testing out the pumper and you guys will see this car all together looking sharp.
All right, ready?
Yeah. Blah! And now we're in to the next day and we got Super AGV tie rods installed, so now we can adjust the toe and stuff way easier, not having to take the wheel on and off.
That's right.
Which will make life a little bit easier.
Been grinding away out in the garage. It's been successful. So
yeah,
we got all the hard parts on that I need, and we're not quite done. But the little stuff is what's left, just like brake pads, fluids, stuff like that. So we got all the hard work done this weekend. This video. So
yeah, the only thing we need to do is just put the wheels on.
Yeah.
Do a little test with the pumper helmet.
Yeah.
And then yeah, we'll be calling it good. Nick's here now. He's working on all of his race stuff. It is race fever here in the dirt compound.
Grinding away.
Yeah, exactly. All right, let's just slap the sucker together, man. Real quick, I just want to show you, we're actually doing a little bit of a alignment adjustment on Jake's car here, and just to show you how easy it is once you put these on. So there's just a jam nut, you loosen it, then you can just grab that rod and spin it.
Yep, and you can watch the tire turn.
Yeah, you can watch it.
Have a buddy stand in front of your car. All right, Chief, tell me when it's straight.
Oh, up. Go back a little bit. A little bit more. Right there.
Yeah, see? And then it's aligned.
It's not quite. You need to do a better job than that, but just...
that's cool.
Just to your eye real quick, you can get something going.
Yeah.
And it makes the job way easier,
Heck
so
yeah,
highly recommend.
Them stock ones.
Yeah, highly recommend. Let's put it to the test. Yeah, I'll jump in my rig. Alright, so I'm just gonna get in front of Jake and just start fishtailing. Get it real dusty for him. make all the difference in the world?
Heck yeah, dude.
Your
It
face
really
is
did.
clean.
Yeah, look at my...
Well, look at the visor. Yeah.
It seriously works so good. Like, it was really dusty behind you.
Oh, yeah.
All I could see at one point was your taillights, and like, I'm just following your taillights. Perfectly fine. Not a freaking speck of dust in my eyeball.
This was something that we needed for a long time.
Dude. That is worth it, dude. Get the RaceEquip with the high flow, rugged radios pumper, dude. Absolutely.
I mean, that's for a single driver. I mean, you
Yeah.
can get the dual if you want.
You
but
can get up to 4.
Yeah,
So, yeah,
4-seaters.
check them out, dude. Rugged radios for sure.
Man, pretty awesome. What do you think of the overall look of your vehicle with the
Overall,
doors and
look
everything?
and feel, the doors are super quiet. Didn't even notice them. I don't know if
really?
I couldn't hear them over top of the jet engine behind me. The suspension felt great. I felt like I was just on your butt and like in control very well. So
Man,
we're
fun
ready.
stuff, dude.
Yeah, dude, this thing is looking good.
September 17th, Tennessee, Red Bull Scramble, Stone. So we're going to be taking it down. We got lots of interesting content coming up. If you guys are going to be in Tennessee for that race, hit us up. We'll have merch, all sorts of stuff. Hope to see you guys there. Appreciate everybody for watching. Hit up Patreon for longer videos, ad-free, early access.
All right.
DirtDudesUTV.com for parts, news, and merch. Gotta go get
shirts.
Yep, Dunkin' Donuts, Heineken, the whole shebang. Go check it out.
And the parts.
Yep, we appreciate all you guys for watching, and take her easy.
See ya.
Yeah!